wait a minute, sugar. You see, we've been together for quite some time now, and we used to share all of our dreams and future plans together. And all of a sudden, it seems like you switched gears and I didn't get the memo. Now I'm all for living your dreams and pursuing all that you hope to do. But it just seems that you're leaving me behind, and I can't help but feel a little insecure behind that. Now I want you to know that I support you. I'ma hold you down now. I'll be here for you.